Hi guys. In today's video, I am showing you how to blur a specific part of a video in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is import your video in the CapCut and drag it to the editing section. As you can see, I already did both things. I import my video in the CapCut and I already drag it to the editing section. After doing all this, tap on your video and do a right click of your mouse. And in this pop-up, tap on the first option, which is copy. Now, the video has been copied after this. Paste the video on the top of the first one by doing a right click of your mouse and tap on the first option, paste. Now the second video has been pasted on the top of the first one. Take a look on the left. Here are a few options: media, audio, text, stickers, effects. From these options, tap on this effects and in the search bar write blur. And here are all the effects of blur from these. Select which you like the most. Just for example, I select this. Now tap on it and drag it on the top of the video and paste here. Now the blur effect has been applied to the top one. Now tap on your video and take a look on the right side of the computer screen. Here are a few options: basic, cutout, and mask. From these options, tap on this mask and here are a few rectangles. From these, you have to select which you like. Just for example, I will select this circle. Now you can see the circle has been added to my video. Now arrange the position of it and place it wherever you want, or place it on that part which you want to blur in your video. Just for example, I will blur the face of this guy, and I am doing a random tap to remove all the points which are on the circle. Now let's play a video. As you can see, only the face of the person has been blurred, so it was the primary way by which you can blur a specific part of the video.